Hello everyone and welcome back to Lady Fire's Kitchen, and we are cooking today spicy corn chowder. As the temperature is changing, as you can see, I'm already wearing my little sweater. I felt like, you know what, let's do a chowder. And this one is really special because it has that little twist, it has a little spice to it. So I'm going to introduce you to the ingredients immediately. Salt and pepper, of course, 6 slices of bacon, red chili pepper, and this is about 1/4 of a teaspoon. We have 1 bay leaf, we have 1/4 of flour, we have half of a jalapeno really well chopped, 3 cloves of garlic. Here we have 5 small of the red potatoes. I sliced them up. We have also, this is heavy whipping cream, and this is 1 whole cup. Of course, we're going to do a little pinch of salt and pepper. Of course, you will adjust that as you go, and you will do your own preference. 1 small onion chopped. I prefer the white onions because they're less strong than the yellow ones, but if you have the yellow one, go for it. We have 15 ounces or a whole package of frozen corn, and we have a medium-sized chopped red pepper. So these are all our ingredients, and we should be cooking in just a sec. All right, you guys, so now we're going to cook our bacon until it's nice and crispy. So we're going to put the 6 slices of bacon. It's already being preheated in medium high. Yep. Alright, so we're just going to cook it for a little bit, and when it's nice and crispy, you know how you would usually do your bacon. And then after it's well cooked, we're going to take it out. And we're going to use that grease that is render, or is that it will accumulate right there at the bottom to fry our onion and our red pepper. So we'll be right back. All right, so our bacon is done, nice and crispy. So we're going to take it out, and we're going to put in a little bit of paper here so it will absorb some of that oil or fat. Okay, here we go. We set that to the side, and we are going to, in the same fat, we're going to put in our red pepper. In our onion. As you remember, is a whole medium pepper, red pepper chopped, and a medium-sized onion also chopped. And we are going to cook this in medium high as well for approximately 4 minutes, okay? So I will see you in 4 minutes. All right, guys, 4 minutes have elapsed. So we're going to add a little bit of pepper, just a little, and just a sprinkle of salt. We are going to add now our jalapeno. Remember, it's half of the jalapeno, and make sure you don't have the seeds, because the seeds are the ones that have a lot of spice, a lot of heat is on them. Okay, we're going to fry that. We're also going to add the 3 cloves of garlic. In it goes. And we're going to wait approximately 1 minute till it's nice and fragrant. We're just going to mix it together and wait for just 1 minute, and we'll be right back. All right, so we already waited the whole minute. Now we're going to add the flour, 1/4 cup of flour. And we're going to mix it all together. And we're just gonna wait until the flour takes a little bit of a color, like a blonde sort of color. Approximately 1 minute or so. And then we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients. All right, so we waited a whole minute. Now we're just gonna go ahead and add 4 cups of our chicken broth. Here we go. This raises that temperature a little bit so they will heat up. And we're going to also add our potatoes. Remember, small sliced potatoes. And we're going to simmer this for approximately 10 minutes or so, or until the potatoes are nice and tender. Remember, the thicker the potatoes are, the longer it will take for them to cook. The thinner they are, the faster they will cook. So we're going to go ahead and cover this up and wait 10 more minutes. All right, our 10 minutes are up. So now we're going to uncover. And we're gonna add the remaining of our ingredients. Okay, so we're just going to add here the bay leaf. Just to spice it up a teeny tiny bit more, let's put some red pepper flakes. And what makes it that creamy, beautiful chowder texture is our heavy whipping cream. Remember, it's 1 whole cup. Here we go. And the start of it all, our corn. Just put it all in. Remember, it's a whole package, okay? About 15, 16 ounces. We're going to mix that all up. We're almost there, you guys. Almost there. And we're just gonna let it simmer for another 15 minutes so that we can get those ingredients, get acquainted with the other ones, okay? So I'll see you in 15. All right, guys, 15 minutes have elapsed. So now let's check and see how our chowder's doing. I'm excited. All right. Look at that. Isn't that delicious? Wow. So let's see. All right, let's dig in. Oh, look at that. Now, you remember that bacon? We're going to be using it shortly. Let me close that up a little bit. And there you have it, spicy corn chowder. What's up?